Do you know what is one of the biggest benefit that you as a salesperson can derive when you sell your product or service to the right customer, to the right person? Let's find out. I had gone to this prospect customer of mine to sell him a 2-hour entrepreneurial seminar. He listened to the pitch and he was quite excited about the program, and he immediately signed up. I came back with the check. 2 days later, I get a call and he tells that he had talked to two of his friends who are also entrepreneurs and they were also interested in coming for the program. He told me to go there and talk to them and give them the pass and collect the check. I went there. They were already sold on the program. I just had to give them the brief what it will be for the formality's sake, and they immediately bought the pass. So now what happened? The customer, the first client, prospect client that I had gone to pitch the program, he was in need of that program. He was excited about that entrepreneurial program and he was visualizing what benefits he will derive after attending that program. And as he was thinking over it, he must have found out that there are other entrepreneurs in his circle who would also benefit from this program. So he picked up the phone, talked to them, and then they agreed to come with him, and then he contacted me and told me to go and meet them. So what happened? I had sold my seminar to the right customer. And in turn, what he did, he sold the same program for me to two more customers without me being involved there. That is the benefit, that is the biggest benefit that you can derive. Referral. And referral also, he is not just giving me reference that go and meet and pitch him. He had already convinced them that this program was going to be really beneficial for them. And this he had done before attending the program himself. He was so much excited about what he was going to learn from that. So he sold for me without asking for any favor because he knew that they will also benefit. So, would you like your customers to sell your product or service for you unknowingly because they are excited about your product? They will sell it. So if you would like to have that kind of customers in your database who can refer your product and service to their circle without you asking them, then the most important part that you have to remember is sell your product or service to the right person, to the right customer.